Are you coming?
Huh? No. Dad.
Oh, what are you doing, you fuckhead?
Now you know how the 4 and 20 pies feel. You clean it.
I've just
With
had my
what?
fucking car washed.
With water or sauce?
Oh, Mitchell, I will fucking punch you straight in the fucking head. I have just washed my car. Look at... Fuck off. My fucking car, you dead shit.
It looks nice, actually.
You know what? I'll be matched with your fucking blood. Get out, piss off, fuckhead.
You just fell over.
That's your fault, Dave.
Fuck off. Yeah, good, yeah.
Fuck you dead.
It's automatic
I
windscreen
don't care,
wipers.
piss off.
It's your own fault.
You dare. You fucking dare, Mitchell. I'm telling you now, you dare, and I will fair dinkum fucking murder you. Ben's in a hurry, you dickhead.
Oh, fuck me in the eye.
Good, hope got you. Now I smell like fucking tomato sauce.
Sausage
Dylan,
roll.
piss off, will ya?
You look like a sausage roll and you smell like tomato sauce.
Fucking sausage roll in a minute.
Are you craving one now?
Smash the fucking. I have just fucking spent $79. It was actually.
Dad, no, save that for when you have your pie later.
I am fucking
Well,
filthy.
now when we get home tonight and
Now
you have
I'm
a
wet.
pie, you just come out and get the tomato sauce off your roof.
Fucking pie, I'll throw it straight in your fucking head.